Open CATIA, click on Start Mechanical Design, Assembly Design, and click on Existing Component with Positioning, and click on Product, and select your knuckle joint parts. First select I fork end, and turn on automatic constraint, and fix the component. Then again bring your IN with the same procedure. Make sure that automatic constraint is turned on. Now coincide constraint and select the axis of IN and fork end. And click on Update. Now click on Manipulation. Now this IN can move in Z direction. Make sure that constraint with respect to constraint is turned on. So select on contact constraint and select face of I end and fork end, and click on Update. And click on Manipulation. Now this I end can rotate about Z axis. To prevent this, click on Angle constraint. Select any two planes of I end and fork end and give required angle, and click on Update. Now this I end will not move in Z direction and cannot rotate in Z axis. And now bring your pin. Again select your coincide constraint. Select the axis of pin and fork end. Click on Update. Now this pin can move in Z direction and rotate about Z axis. To prevent this, click on Contact constraint. Select the upper face of IN, fork end, and pin. Now click on Update. Still now this pin can rotate about Z axis. To constrain this, select on Angle constraint. And select the planes of pin and I end and give required angle, and click on Update. Now this pin cannot rotate about Z axis and cannot move on Z axis. Now bring your collar in similar way. Move your collar and select coincide constraint. Select vertical axis of collar and a pin and click on Update. Now this collar can rotate about Z axis and move about Z axis. So click on coincide constraint and select the horizontal axis of pin and collar. and click on update. Now this cannot rotate about Z axis nor move about Z axis. And bring your taper pair in similar way. And click on coincide constraint. Select axis of taper pin and horizontal axis of collar. Click on update. Now this can rotate about Y axis and move in Y axis. For this, select on angular constraint and select one plane of collar and one plane of taper pin. Give required angle and click on update. Now this cannot rotate about Y axis. So to arrest motion, select on offset constraint and give offset between two planes of pin and collar. Click on update. And click on unless and check update. And click on unless, select constraint and select degree of freedom.